welcome, you know, we got open doors.
That's so nice, you're so welcoming.
People, you know, like I said, my folks did that and I try to keep it going, you know. I'm an Indian, co-Indian man that has a white last name, Pickett.
Why is that?
A white outlaw from back east. Came out to Crow Country and had relations with the Indian woman. That's why it came about, you know. That's pretty much about all I got to say this evening, you know.
Oh, okay. So, were you raised by him in any way, or? But
No, I didn't know the man.
You didn't know that was a long time ago, right? Generations ago.
Generations ago, yeah.
But I'm so happy that you can speak the native language and everything. Because I know that there's probably there's a good number of that don't know how to speak the native language here but they want to, they wish they could, but it's just hard to learn, you know, once you get older, right?
Yep.
It's difficult.
These are neighborhood kids that, you know, they come play.
Can you speak the native language?